positively.
Now class 6A will present a dance.
Wow, what an amazing dance!
Another year and it just gets sweeter. So let us invite the students whose birthday falls in this week.
My name is Napreet and my birthday was yesterday.
My birthday is tomorrow and I'm Pranjal.
My birthday is on 19th December. My birthday is on 21st December.
My birthday is on 31st December.
Now I invite our Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Raina Chalma, to throw some more light on how to cope up with difficult situations in our life and enlighten us.
Thank you, children. Thank you so much. Good morning, children. So, what a beautiful morning, beautiful assembly. So, first of all, big round of applause for 6A for picking up such a wonderful assembly on an apt topic, that is problem solving. Class teacher, where is ma'am? Yes, thank you, Manju ma'am. It was wonderful. Very nice, children. Your diction, you have learnt all the script also. So you are not even holding any sheets in your hand. This is wonderful. This is the way assembly should be presented. Now we talk about the topic that was given to us. So the topic is problem solving. So in our day-to-day life, there are so many issues that come up, and we always find solution for that. We are looking for alternatives. I think everything was so beautifully explained that whenever we have any problem, we should just analyze it first. After that, we should see that what are the alternative ways of solving that problem. Then we should weigh, analyze each and every alternative that is available, and after that, go for that alternative. Even if that doesn't work, always try to have another plan in your hand. This is the way we should be focusing on all our problems. So one problem that as a school we are facing is that our children, they say, when we ask them what is the problem the school is facing, they always say, okay, I will ask audience today, what is the main problem that school is facing? Huh? Bullying, okay. What else? Anything else? Many children come to my room and they say they face certain problems. What is that? Indiscipline. Yes, bullying is also part of indiscipline only. Right now I am facing that problem. Another problem is focus. Our children, they do not have focus. So whenever we are talking, anybody from the audience, what is, yes, come? Allowed to slap external force. Have you ever seen, we do not even lose our temper most of the times when we come across any bullying issue, any issue of indiscipline. We are not supposed to do that, because this is what we are trying to inculcate here, that discipline has to come from within. You have to realize the importance of discipline in your life, and you have to inculcate all those good habits which actually will help you in becoming a good citizen, and that will help you in leading your life beautifully later. So ultimately, again I can see some children are very nicely, they are girls sitting there at the back, they are still having a gala time there and they are talking. They have decided, okay, no, we do not have to bring any problem, this is not even a problem. Okay, there are such kind of people also, those who actually just give a blind eye to the situation. उनको लगता है अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा, भगवान ठीक करेंगे. ऐसा होता है हमारी लाइफ में? हो जाता है अपने आप? नहीं ना? Ultimately you will have to make effort. So will you make effort now? So that effort will be made right now. Everybody just pay attention. Teachers, you also look around. If children are not understanding what I am saying, just make them understand. They have to sit straight without talking for some time. Everybody, just sit straight without talking. No gestures. Back straight. Back straight. Everybody's back straight. Yes, sit straight. Nice. Yes. Let us see that how long you can sit like this. Just bring that focus. Another problem that we are facing in the school is bullying. Maybe perhaps the people who are doing it, they do not realize that they are bullying the other person. They think they are making fun of the situation maybe, or they are just trying to bring that fun element in the life of their friends, and this is the way they can all laugh together. But this is not something that is good. Always behave with others the way you expect others to behave with you. This is very important. That is why they always say, think before you speak. Think before you act. Any act that you do, just think. Give it a second, that why I am doing it, what I am saying, what will be the implication of this particular thing that I am going to say now. So this is the way we can all bring discipline. So thank you so much. Once again, class 6A, a big round of applause for the class. And this is the way other classes also should be putting up their assignment. Thank you, Monica ma'am. Thank you, Manjuna.
Solved with care shows the strength that always there. Thank you, respected Diana ma'am and Monica ma'am, for accepting our invitation and joining us today. Your thoughts have truly inspired us. We would also like to thank the art team, music team, our class teacher Manju ma'am, and all the students who participated in this assembly today. Hope you all enjoyed the assembly presented by Class 6A. Thank you.
And thank you to the audience.